This short video is to show you how to subscribe to any of Energy PriceBook's current 3 products. Step 1 is to go to our website, energypricebook.com. Once you get here, go to the subscribe page that I'll click on now. You will see our 3 products, the Power Pricing Reports here. Below it, Energy Price Monitor product, and then the All-In Price Monitor product below that. So in this first product, the Power Pricing Reports, if you want one of these selections, just hit the radio button, select it. We're then going to go down here to the next product, the Energy Price Monitor, and we're going to go into this link for selecting utilities and hubs that you're interested in. And you can either select all if you're interested in all. We'd certainly encourage that. But if you're interested in just specific ones, you can select those as well as shown here. Then hit Continue button. Next, we're going to go down to the All-In Price Monitor. Again, going into the links to select utilities. And again, you can either select all or pick the specific utilities that you're interested in for this product. And then select Continue. Once you've done that, you will see for each of the 3 products the pricing, and it has been totaled at the bottom here. And then just select the Continue button, which will bring you to the contact information page. Once you get to this last page, the payment page, you'll see the contact information that you just entered. Below it, you will see the subscription pricing based on your selections from the 3 products. And then below that, an area to enter a coupon code if you have a coupon code. Once you enter that code in this box, this Apply Coupon button will activate for you to select and enter the code, which will adjust the pricing accordingly. And then down here, the last section on this page is to enter your credit card billing information. Once you do, this Submit button will become active. Once you select that Submit button, you'll receive 2 emails, a Verify email and a Welcome email. The Verify email you'll want to go into to verify your email address, and once you do, your subscription will have started. If you have any questions during the process, you can always select the contact page here and send us a quick message as to what your issue is. Thank you.